Low maintenance and permanent. In small planters, look at these spider plants. They are in DIY planters. Look at this. This is also a broken coffee jar, and I used it in my gardening. And how beautifully this plant growing with a simple soil mixture. And also this is a small planter, pothos plant growing so well. These are all low maintenance. Look at the nerve plant. And look at this. I have this dwarf Syngonium plant growing in this coffee mug. So today I thought of sharing with you about the plants that you can easily grow without using any fertilizer, also low maintenance and permanent plants for your garden. These are all house plants which prefers the shade, and also these are low maintenance hardy plants and also permanent plants. Once you bring one plant, you will easily multiply them within a very short period of time. This is a bird nest plant. If you can see the size of the leaves, they are so huge, and this is one of the plants that are low maintenance and permanent. This plant needs the shade because they grow well in the shady corner, and the soil should be moistured. These plants are very low maintenance and permanent. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be sharing with you some of the plants that you can easily grow because they are low maintenance and permanent. Even without fertilizer, you can easily. Talking about low maintenance and permanent plants, I take this Swiss cheese plant. This is one of the easy growing plants, a beginner gardener's plants, and also permanent in your garden. Very easy to grow. Once you bring it from a nursery, locate it in an area where they get the partial or medium sunlight. This is one of the best house plants to have them in your garden as indoor plants or as outdoor plants. This is a wonderful beginner gardener plants too. So have this beautiful monstera Swiss cheese plant as a permanent plant in your garden. Talking about low maintenance plants, aloe vera also another plant. Aloe vera grow from leaves, and also from you can divide and multiply these plants very easily. From pups also you can grow them. So this plant also permanent and a low maintenance plant. Even if you don't give any fertilizer, these plants will grow. Beautiful colorful leafy plants are these coleus plants. So coleus plants also one of the easy growing plants and also one of the beginner gardeners plants. You can grow them from stems very easy without fertilizer. Also you can grow them. So this is for a beginner gardener because they are permanent and low maintenance, but after some time you can regrow them by cutting. Once the plant grow leggy, you can cut them and make more free plants. This is another permanent plant for your garden. Beautiful colorful wandering Jew. This is another beautiful colorful plant for your garden. This adds beauty. This is ideal for hanging baskets. This is called the wandering Jew, and they are very colorful. Look at their colors, and also you can propagate them very easily with a small cutting. So get a small cutting from a friend of yours, and you will see with no time you have many plants in your garden. This beautiful wandering Jew is the best option for a lazy gardener, beginner gardener, and also with or without fertilizer you can grow these plants very easily, ideal for a hanging basket. One of the easy growing plants are these beautiful spider plants. They are air purifier plants too, permanent and low maintenance, good for a beginner gardener. Once you bring one plant, you will see that you can maintain and also multiply very easily. So this is another plant that is very low maintenance and also very hard to kill. This plant also is ideal for a beginner gardener, and also this is permanent in your garden. Another beautiful palm plant, which is a very low maintenance plant and also permanent plant. This plant you can divide and multiply very easily. Plants are grown by cuttings, and very easily you can multiply with a single stem in water or else in soil. This is another permanent low maintenance plant. Another variety of crotons. A bush of Syngonium. Syngonium plants are also very low maintenance and permanent plants. Evergreen plant, another beautiful variegated leafy plant and also one of the low maintenance, very easy to grow plant. My Song of India cutting. Look at this. This plant didn't work well due to the rain. It got washed away in the rain, so I kept in a corner in my garden. These are beautiful philodendron plants, a huge bush here. If you can see, they covered up the pot. Pandanus plants also really very easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent. They don't need any fertilizers. You can keep them in any corner in your garden, either in bright light, medium light, in any corner, friends. And umbrella plant also you can grow from stems, and this plant also is a very easy to grow plant. Beautiful lucky bamboo plants belong to the family of Dracaena, and you can grow them with stems, very easy to propagate and multiply. I have them all at my entrance. These are jade plants. Jade plants are also very low maintenance and permanent. They need only the sunlight. Provide a lot of sunlight for these plants. They are succulents. No need to water every day too. Colorful and leafy plants. This is a flowering plant. And here I have the two varieties, and they are also low maintenance. They are ideal for a hanging basket, and also they grow without any fertilizer. It's a beautiful philodendron plant. I brought only a small stem. Now it is so huge. Their leaves are so big and colorful. Look at the color, gold color, very eye-catching. Sansevieria plant, a variety of snake plant. They are beautiful, and also they are very low maintenance plants. These plants are said to purify the air, so they work as an air purifier too. Friends, today I covered up about easy growing, low maintenance, permanent plants, and they are beautiful and also very hardy plants. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you do, please give it a big like, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. See you soon with another video. If you are new, consider subscribing to Tamara's Garden. Thanks for watching, friends.